This is episode 2 in this playlist where I'm basically driving revenue for a conversational AI startup. If you are just new to this video or to my channel, I'm going to go ahead and show you the conversational AI app that I drafted up a go-to marketing plan. That was in my previous video. It's called Dojo AI. I have made a list of basically all of the problems that they would have and the benefits that they would have in using our app. Now, my first basic, I would say, go-to strategy whenever I decide to go to market is I want to go and craft a LinkedIn and a YouTube post. I would say usually anywhere between, I'll say 5 to 8 posts, just to see how it is that they're doing. That way I don't really have to go out there and kill myself, because I can set that thing on autopilot and I'll post up basically every 3 days. So the first thing that I'll do is I want to create a prompt to draft 5 social media posts for a conversational voice AI startup to help cold callers. My intention is to generate calls from business owners and heads of sales from startups and other businesses that require cold callers to join their operation. And in addition, for anybody that is responsible for hiring cold callers, sales development representatives, and or appointment setters. And I have a list of hooks, problem statements, benefits for the companies to use for conversational voice AI application. And I need a prompt here. I can just add the hooks, the social proof, the problem statements, and the call to action, the common interest to see. Okay, so I can see who I want to schedule a call with. Not everybody that is interested, we can go out there and do a call. Still a startup, very, very, very small team. So I'm going to have this, and I just prompted that bad boy into Gemini, and it came out with this. Okay, draft 5 distinct. Give me a second here. Objective is to draft 5 distinct social media posts to track business owner heads sales and startups for a conversational voice AI startup. Business owners and heads of da 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 da. Okay, post structure, each post da da da. Final call to action, interest. Paste your hooks here. Paste your problem statements here. Paste your benefits here. Paste your social proof and testimonials here. Generate 5 posts. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this prompt. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to come back. And I'm going to paste it right here. Okay. And then I'm going to add basically all of my hooks. And I'm just like doing a bunch of random shit right now. Right, so I'm going to add all of this. I'm going to take all this. I'm going to paste it right here. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take all of this. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste it down here. And, alright, so where are your hooks? Okay, I'm going to have this right here. These are the hooks to go out there and try to grab their attention. Problem statements. Okay, so I'm going to have this, da 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 da. Most people dread cold calling. Okay, so I'm going to take all these problem statements right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it in. And the benefits. And I'm just going to add more of those benefits in here. And then I'm going to have like more problem statements. I'm going to take this. Okay, so you're going to have problem statements. I'm going to add this guy in here too. And then it looks like this whole word salad, and this is how does it work. I'm going to take this. I'm going to add this right here. I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to take this. And now I'm going to take all of that. This is going to be the prompt. The full prompt. I'm going to go back to Gemini and I'm just going to paste. And instead of 5 though, I'm just going to ask for 8. I'm going to watch it do its thing. While we get our little sippy step. Okay. Now, I'm going to compare this with what Claude is going to produce. And let's take a look at this. Let's take a look. Now, I want to, okay, make each, can you add another 3 posts following this theme? And I want to have just 1 sentence per line, and the last and the hashtags at the bottom of each post are hashtag sales, hashtag cold call, hashtag conversational, AI, hashtag voice agents, hashtag voice AI, SDR. Watch it do its thing. Boom. And that's it. So this actually falls underneath the series. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you need help going to market, let's go ahead and find out exactly what's going to happen. I will talk to you guys all very, very soon. Keep you posted.